I'm at Lusher Farm today at the Rogerson Clematis Garden with Linda Butler, the curator. And so it's midsummer and there are so many clematis blooming. But today we're going to talk about long blooming clematis.
We get a lot of questions about which clematis bloom for the longest period of time without a break. And so we're standing underneath Polish Spirit, which is always the first one I mention. So we actually have two plants here with supports. They're on either side of an old apple tree, and so we don't want to completely burden the apple tree. And this has been in bloom for over a month already. And if you go to our website, rogersonclematiscollection.org, if you go under visit, we have a What's in Bloom feature that we update every week. And so you can sort of count along how many weeks as you visit that the same ones are still in bloom.
Wow.
That's a good way to see.
Definitely.
Yeah.
And on the other side of this really antique old apple tree, there's another one. Which was that?
Yeah, that's a little white one called Anita, and it's in that Tangutica orientalis group that you usually think of as being white, or as yellow. And Anita is white, and she's been in bloom since late May, and we're now in late July.
Wow.
And there's more buds. She's still going.
And we have some other up the way a little bit, so let's go over there.
Yeah, okay.
Linda, this is so beautiful in this obelisk. Which is this?
This is Gypsy Queen, and she's an old timer, a daughter of Clematis jackmani, beautiful purple. And you can see she had a few precocious flowers very early. She sent a branch over here, and people have said, oh, she's blooming short. Well, she came up to 4.5 feet tall. That's another 3 feet over into the drymies. So she's still going. But the big show now is up at the top. And there's more buds up there. That'll go for another couple of weeks. So this branch peaked about 2 weeks ago, and just as the rest of this was coming into bloom.
And it's so, oh, sorry.
Go ahead.
Oh, I was going to say, you really don't have to do anything. It just does it on its own. It just kind of keeps going.
Right. We didn't deadhead those off of there, and it still came up and rebloomed.
Wow, wow.
Yeah.
And we have another one?
Yes, let's look at a different color than purple.
All right. Linda, this is such a beautiful bed. It's not just the clematis, it's all the companion plants too.
Right, and this is Crispina. It's a Polish variety, so you say it like Christina, only you say Crispina with a P. And it's gone into the Roseanne geranium, which looks so great with your shirt. We have limelight hydrangea with it, and then I'll step out of the way here to see the O. Henry seed strain lilies that it also is growing into. So we haven't given it a structure because we know it's a great partner. And this is another one. You can see the deadheads on it. It has been in bloom, and even without deadheading, it keeps on blooming. This is really a great plant. And we do happen to have this for sale.
Oh.
Nice little segue there. All of our sales benefit the garden. We are not a garden center, we're a botanic garden, but we do have to sell plants to support the garden, and every dime goes back into the garden. So shopping, if you want to come, the garden is open.
Nice.
And shopping is open on Fridays and Sundays only from 10 until 2, 10 in the morning till 2 in the afternoon. And if you're shopping in person, when you go into where the sales plants are, we will ask you to wear a mask.
Great, okay.
And if you want to do safe shopping, if you want to order online and come and pick up your plants, then, well, for any kind of shopping, and to find out what we have available, you can go to rogersonclematiscollection.org, clematis shopping.
Excellent. Well, you have all that information, and really, if you need any questions answered, there's so many knowledgeable people here. Come and see this beautiful garden, get out of the house, and enjoy. So please go to gardentime.tv, and you can click over to their website and find out how you can get here. Thank you so much. It's been lovely.
Thank you, Judy.